Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve face lock problem on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first of all you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, here at first you have to check the face lock. Okay, let's search here the face lock. Here is the add face. Click on add face. So before you are starting to set the face lock, what you need to do is that friends, well, suppose you are the person wearing spectacles, so you have to wear the spectacle when you are scanning your face. Okay, and suppose you are the person you are not wearing this spectacle, so do not wear this spectacle. Okay, and you should be in the light. It means the light should be on, and it should the face in while scanning your face, there should be the light so that it must be scanned nicely. Okay, so friends, if it doesn't set by doing this, also what you need to do is that I'll show you the to solve the problem. Okay, so here you need to move on is the software update, setting of the software update. Okay, search here for the software update. So here is the software update, just move on it. After you have been moved on it, here right now you have to check from here whether there is software update or not. If there is software update, you have to update it. Okay, and by doing this, if it doesn't solve, then another step I'll show you. Okay, it will be solved by just updating your software. It will be solved. Suppose if it doesn't solve, then you have to move on setting again and move on to general management. So here is the general management. Oh, there is no general management. So what you need to do is that you have to move on the app management is here, but there is no general management. No, not app. You have to move on this. Just click your search bar and search for the reset. Okay, and here right now what you need to do is that just move on this reset system setting only. Okay, just move on this one. After that, here move on this erase downloaded apps and their data. So friends, if you want to erase all data, this is the erase all data. Okay, erase all means all, no. So if you want to reset all data, what you need to do is that you have to update your photos and videos and the important document from the WhatsApp. Okay, you just update it, I mean backup all the documents, photos and videos, then only click on the reset all data. After that, confirm the password and click on reset. It will be reset successfully, and the problem that you are facing will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if by doing these steps also it doesn't solve, then you have to move on the service center or to the local shop. Okay, so that it will fix it from the software under the mobile phone software. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.